Hi, this is Whitestone. Since the S26 Ultra was released, there's been a lot of interest in our dome glass. We're carefully reading every piece of feedback, even the tough ones. We'll focus on the installation method you've been curious about. First, please prepare some masking tape. Make sure there are no gaps to keep the adhesive from getting into the device. Place the jig with S26 lacing up, then mount your phone. Insert one side first, then align and secure the other side. Then, make sure the 4 grooves on the back are properly aligned and securely fitted. This is something we get asked about a lot. Many people are concerned that using the installation jig might scratch their device. It won't scratch your device, so feel free to install it with confidence following the guide. Now, we'll go over the step where most people tend to make mistakes during installation. First, open the colored cap and attach it to the bridge. Next, open the black cap and wait exactly 30 seconds until all the adhesive is released. Once it's fully dispensed, quickly remove the bridge and the container. Next up, if the glass sticker doesn't come off easily, gently rub it to make it adhere to the protective film, then peel it off. It might be confusing, but the dotted side must always face the screen. Lift the top of the jig to let the adhesive flow downward. And once it reaches the film, remove the locking pin. Place the eraser over the fingerprint area and wait for 100 seconds. With the installation jig still attached, cure the top, middle, and bottom for 15 seconds each. After removing the installation jig, gently wipe it once. Then perform a second curing, 60 seconds each on the top, middle, and bottom. Once it's done, remove the masking tape and you're all set. Dome glass installation easier than you thought, right? We'll continue to listen to your feedback. We'll repay you with even better products. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment anytime. Thanks for watching.